Yan na yung train mission. Again. Tapos kami nagpa-picture kay Santa. Hindi kasi pwedeng mag-video tsaka photo doon. Hindi ko lang. Hi, Santa!
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way.
Ano yung magme-member ka na naman ng pang 1 year? Ano itong $60 auto?
Maganda.
20 per day.
Baka per day lang
Daman, Phoenix, Arizona. Parang may quota yata yung mga scammer today Ang daming ang daming nang-i-scam today
Good morning, or 20 for today.
What's just for today?
Just for today. Thank you so much.
You too. Sa anong pupuntahan natin? Ay, may mapa pala dito. Wait. Zipline course doon.
Sa hilltop.
Doon tayo sa hilltop.
Or park na ba tayo? Ito hilltop lang ang datanin yung ito ko. Giant bato pa lang. Napamanan tayo. Tapos
Sa may bato.
Tapos naglogan tayo.
Bato Balani.
Ito yung park.
Ano lang ang meaning na Bato Balani?
Pandita nga part pa lang. Dito ito kung makita tayo. Tapos kidaan tayo ito.
Ano bang meron dito sa lugar na to?
Yan nga yung stone.
Hindi nga nung historical.
Kaya i-figure out natin. Dapat kumain nakasango ni Michi nang makita natin.
Kikita naman niya, nagbawaw-wow na nga siya Download historic app. So may history talaga to, hindi lang natin alam for now.
Oh, look
Stone
nice.
Mountain Summit. Are we gonna go to the summit, Daddy? So mag-aano tayo. Uy, wow! It's so nice! Fish?
Trees.
A tree. Sabi ni Mishi, trees daw. So nakikita na ngayon yung tubig kasi wala nang dahon yung mga trees.
Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh.
Very happy. Let's go. Bubbles. Pop. Pop. Wow. Come. Si Daddy nag-spin.
Light show.
Andiyan na yung train mission. Mag-train tayo ba?
Damdaman ko tayo ba?
Ay, okay. Si Mishi, sobrang saya niya. Tapos nakikipag-play pa siya sa ibang bata.
Kasama the train?
May sipon ka pa, Mishi Beng. Parang yung area dito para siyang Switzerland, ganyan. So, ito na yung Stone Mountain. Stone talaga siya, no? Wala talaga mga punong ano, no? Ayan! Nakarve pala nila yan. Yan pala yun.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmas.
Okay. Ay, pang-obedient na. Ang laki naman kasi. 1, 2, oh!
Again.
Again.
Then, jetin ni. Let's go! Yeah, supo!
Like this, anak ko. Mom is teaching you how to do it na nga eh. 1, 2, 3! Uh-oh! Go, 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 go! Okay, one more time. 1, up, up, up. 1, 2, 3. Gusto niya kasi siya. Akala mo sure. Oh no! Come here! Come here! Photo, photo! Picturean ko kayo. Choo-choo! Chugga, 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 choo-choo!
Welcome aboard the Rock Line Railroad. My name is Zuleika, and I'm standing here all the way in the back waving at you all. Hello, hello, hello. 3, all aboard! Great job! I can tell you had a lot of fun today.
Tend to tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be. Santa, tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me.
Howdy, everybody. Hi. Well, howdy. How's everyone doing this afternoon? Oh, I'm so glad. Well, my name is Grandma Grace, and we would like to welcome you to our little town of Pebble Ridge. Now, we're having an early Christmas party here at the courthouse, but I heard the train and I had to come out and say howdy. All of a sudden, the heavens plumb open up with a host of angels singing glory and hallelujah. And let me tell you, friends, if you have never heard an angel sing, ooh, they sure enough can sing. Longer. Bye-bye. 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 All right, ladies and gentlemen, our journey is now come to an end. Please remain seated until the gates have been opened for you.
Ang bango ng candies nila dyan sa store. Ito ba? Anong pagkain dito?
Graham balls. Ano siya kay Graham balls?
Gelato, ice cream, gano'n naman.
Graham na gano'n.
Oh, may show sila dun, oh.
Wonderland naman.
Oh, look at Santa, Mishi. Basta pumapasyal kami, wala palang pasok. Ang dami tuloy tao. Pero at least si Mishi nag-enjoy kasi madaming bata.
Princess, my friend, we travel through space.
I know my faithful companions, but my parents sent me to Earth to bring joy to everyone on my 18th Christmas, and time is running out. Another wonderful Christmas Eve, my favorite time of the year. Fill us back with all my toys for the boys and girls again. Share your light. Oh, we did it. Princess Aurora. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy
Yay! Bye-bye! Aurora! Bye-bye, Aurora! Kain na tayo while waiting for the parade. Buti na lang dito na yung mga fast food lang talaga yung pagkain. At kasi hindi mahabang pila pag gano'n. We have chicken tenders and fries.
Mark?
Fries.
Moms and dads, boys and girls, we hope you are enjoying your adventure here at Stone Mountain Park. Get your entire family ready to see their favorite holiday characters in our Christmas parade beginning in 30 minutes.
Tapos kami nagpa-picture kay Santa. Hindi kasi pwedeng mag-video tsaka photo doon. No? Hindi ko alam kung pati video ba. Pero nakalagay doon, no personal photos. Ganun. Tapos may nagbabantay. Si Ante. Nagbabantay siya doon kasi doon siguro yung pinagpipicturean ng mga ano. Siyempre kung nagpicture na sila. Wala nang magbabayad doon sa ano. Nasa QR code.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face.
Like it here, but it
Warmer by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before.
Tagalog kita.
Bili ako ka. Ah.
Can you see me up here?
Hi, Santa!
All of you. So good to see you. Good to see each and every one of you. I left down this road. Merry Christmas to everybody. Dash away, dash away,
Dash away!
a little louder with all of your joy and with all of your heart. Dash away.
Dash away! Dash away!
Oh, keep it going. Dash away.
Dash away!
We did it. We made the magic Christmas tree and filled Stone Mountain with the spirit of Christmas. I hope that each of you will take it now. I will put in the memory of all my good boys and girls out there, as well as all of the creative. Look up to the sky where we live in the stars. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Santa!
Thank you for joining us for the Enchanted Tree Life.
Auntie Santa. Sa kumano nga tayo Santa Claus da. Ayan natin Mia. Ate, Nicolas ka. Ayan natin Mia. Ayan na. Ay, data. Ano ba yan? Bulag. Yan ka. Ang ganda na pala dyan, oh. Kami po ay uuwi na. Kasi yung baningning namin ay nantok na, nakita na naman yung bubbles daddy, oh. Ayan, oh. Antok ng baningning namin. Ganda dito pag Christmas pala. Diyan pala yung gingerbread house. So, makipicture, Miss Shibeng. Kayo naman ni Daddy. Mommy's gonna take photo of you guys. High five ka sa gingerbread, man. Sa gitna kaya kayo, Juan? Can you move over here a little bit here? Alrighty, 1, 2, 3, one more. There you go.
Merry Christmas.
High five, Mishi. High five. High five. Thank you. Hello. Hindi na to truck the gym. The adventure I want to go. Ay, babasagin. Ang ganda, ha? 15. Parang gusto ko yung ganitong Christmas decor next year. Yung ano lang. Yung mga ganito lang. Yung parang old time. Ano. Oh, may Santa Claus sila, oh, daddy. Sagwa mo nung tama dato, eh. Ay, 89. Oh my gosh. Bili na lang tayo sa Habilabi. Tingnan mo, may kumot sila, oh, para sa mga panahong malamig, lalamigin ang mga tao. Hey everyone, thank you so much at narating nyo naman po yung part ng ating vlog na magsha-shoutout lang ako sa mga nag-comment sa isang video natin with the title, ganito pala ang Christmas sa USA. And shoutout to Linux Noob, ang sabi niya next year maka-experience na rin kami ng White Christmas. Thank you po sa mga videos for keeping our American dream alive. We will fly this 3rd week of January. Yay! Congratulations! Next week, andito na kayo. And then, shout out din kay Erwin. And then, kay Andrea Balili. Sabi niya, been watching you po since I was in first year college. Now, I'm already graduating sa nursing, taking my boards this year, and sana USRM the soonest. Happy New Year. Ayan, nakaka-happy naman. May napagraduate na po ang vlog natin. Congratulations in advance, Andrea. And then, kay Jace Day, shout out din. And she has a question. And medyo na-answer ko na to sa kanya sa Instagram, but I'll just make a different one para hindi dito. Medyo mahaba-habang kwentuhan tong question niya, eh. And then shout out din kay Ronnie Caberto, kay Nurse Ems, and kay Michi Wu. Ayan, salamat everyone for watching our vlogs and for sticking around kahit hindi masyadong consistent this time, but I'm trying my best na makapag-edit na and we'll be back on track dahil talagang medyo naka-recover na ang mga katawan namin sa kasakitan na nangyari sa amin over the holidays. Napunta sa amin ang mga ibang virus. Ayan. So, thank God naman at nakasurvive kami, ang family, but still, daddy is still not feeling well. So, ayun, pagbigyan nyo muna kami ngayon na medyo maka-recover. Thank you so much everyone. I hope na mag-subscribe kayo I hope mag-subscribe kayo sa channel namin kung naririnig nyo si Mishi na excite na siya. Akala na naman niya video ito. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia. And I'll talk to you guys on our next one. Bye! Mwah!